Creating new campaigns on Shopbase is a straightforward process that can help you promote your products and reach a wider audience. To start, log into your Shopbase account and navigate to the Marketing section. From there, click on the Campaigns tab and then select the Create Campaign button. First, choose the type of campaign you want to create, such as a promotional campaign, a new product launch, or a seasonal sale. Give your campaign a name and set a start and end date. You can also set a budget for your campaign and choose the products you want to promote. Next, select your target audience. You can choose to target specific customer groups, such as first-time buyers or loyal customers. You can also target customers based on their location, language, or purchase history. Now, create your campaign content. This can include emails, social media posts, or ads. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to your target audience. Use high-quality images and compelling copy to grab their attention. Once you have created your campaign content, you can set up your campaign channels. This can include email, social media, or paid advertising. Make sure you have connected your social media accounts and email marketing tools to your Shopbase account. After setting up your campaign channels, you can track your campaign performance. Use the analytics tools provided by Shopbase to monitor your campaign's success and make adjustments as needed. Best practices for creating campaigns on Shopbase include setting clear goals and objectives, targeting the right audience, and using high-quality content. It is also important to track and analyze your campaign performance to optimize your results. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective campaigns on Shopbase that drive sales and grow your business. Remember to keep your campaigns focused, targeted, and engaging, and to continuously monitor and optimize your results. With Shopbase, you have the tools you need to succeed and reach a wider audience.